Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the DC Extended Universe DEU. The DC Extended Universe DCEU is an American media franchise and shared universe that is centered on a series of superhero films distributed by Warner Bros. Pictures and based on characters that appear in American comic book by DC Comics. The shared universe, much like the original DC universe in comic book and the television programs, was established by crossing over common plot, elements, settings, cast, and characters. The films have been in production since 2011, and in that time, Warner Bros. Has distributed 8 films with a multitude of other planned films in various stages of development. It is the 11th highest grossing film franchise of all time, having grossed over $5.48 million at the global box office. Its highest grossing film is Aquaman, which earned over $1.15 billion worldwide, becoming the highest grossing DC film to date. The films are written and directed by a variety of individual and feature large, often ensemble casts. Henry Cavill, Ben Affleck, Gal Gadot, Ezra Miller, Jason Momoa, and Ray Fisher, among other stars in several films. However, unlike the Marvel Cinematic Universe, the franchise has loosely connected storylines with greater autonomy for the filmmakers who create each individual film. The first film in the DCEU was followed by Batman vs Superman: Dawn of Justice 2016, Suicide Squad 2016, Wonder Woman 2017, Justice League 2017, Aquaman 2018, and Shazam 2019, and Birds of Prey 2020. The franchise will continue with Wonder Woman 1984 in 2020, The Suicide Squad, The Batman and Black Adam in 2021, and The Flash, Shazam 2 and Aquaman 2 in 2022. Upon announcement of the film series, the universe was commonly called the DC Cinematic Universe by fans and the media, in keeping with the naming convention of the already established Marvel Cinematic Universe (MCU). Kat Staskiewicz, writing for Entertainment Weekly, coined the term DC Extended Universe as a joke in an article of his about Batman vs Superman: Dawn of Justice on 1st July 2015. This term and the abbreviation DCEU quickly spread among the press and fans, thinking of it as the official name of the franchise over the following years. According to virtual writer Abraham Brasman, DC confirmed to him in September 2017 that that term was not used internally and they didn't consider it official. In 2016, as part of DC Films Presents Dawn of the Justice League, both Geoff Johns and Kevin Smith referred to the franchise name as being the Justice League Universe. During the DC Films panel at San Diego Comic-Con 2018, a video banner displayed the words "Welcome to the World of DC" after showcasing some upcoming films. As a result, some media outlets interpreted this as DC official naming their shared film universe as the World of DC. However, in March 2020, Jim Lee called the franchise the DC Extended Universe at C2E2. The franchise was officially titled DC Extended Universe when the Warner Media streaming services HBO Max launched the following May. In 2002, Wolfgang Peterson was set to direct a Batman vs Superman film from a script by Akiva Goldsman. Warner Bros. Cancelled development to focus on individual Superman and Batman projects. After J.J. Abrams submitted another draft for Superman Flyby. In February 2007, Warner Bros. Hired husband and wife duo Michael and Karen Mulroney to write a script for the Justice League film. Christian Bale, who started as Batman in Batman Begins 2005, was not approached to reprise the role, nor was Brent Roth, who started as Superman in Superman Returns 2006. George Miller was hired to direct the film, reportedly titled Justice League Mortal, with Amy Hammer cast as Batman, DJ Cotrona as Superman, Adam Brody as Flash, Santiago Cabrera as Aquaman, Common as Green Lantern, Megan Gale as Wonder Woman, Hugh K. Barron as Martin Manhunter, and Joy Bruchel as Max Lord. The project was put on indefinite hold in January 2008 after failing to secure tax break for filming in Australia, as well as the 2007-2008 right to Gulf of America strike, preventing progress on the script. In 2016, a reboot of the Superman franchise Man of Steel was set to lay the groundwork for future DC films. The film contained references to other characters in the DC universe, so if it were a success, it could launch a shared universe. The days before Man of Steel release in June, it was reported that director Zack Snyder and screenwriter David S. Goyer would to return for a sequel, which was being fast-tracked by Warner Bros. In July at San Diego Comic-Con, it was revealed that the sequel would include Batman in a main role, establishing the shared universe. In October 2014, Warner Bros. Announced a slate of 10 DC films. If you have liked this informative video, then press the below like button and encourage us. Thanks for watching.